Hi, I'm Brian Mahoney, the author of over 200 business startup and real estate investing books. I have created this book trailer to announce an amazing new real estate investing book. Get excited for the Minnesota real estate, wholesaling, residential, real estate, and commercial real estate investing book. Learn how to find and finance wholesale investment properties. This is the absolute best and most up-to-date real estate investing book on the market for finding discount wholesale real estate. There is not another real estate investing book on the market that gives you as many sources for wholesale real estate than this book. This book also gives you a website that has over 4,000 sources of real estate financing, in addition to the government's over 2,400 sources of federal money. You will also learn how to find wholesale nationwide residential and commercial real estate, quick and easy access to Minnesota wholesale properties, 8 realistic ways to finance real estate, how to write a winning government grant proposal, expert strategies to making your offer, 12 steps to selling any investment property fast, $1 million Rolodex of real estate websites, billionaire business advice because when they talk, we listen. People are destroyed for lack of knowledge. Imagine you can get the knowledge you need to start living your business dreams. But don't wait. You'll wait your life away. If you would like more information on how to find and finance wholesale real estate, including quick and easy access to Minnesota wholesale properties, and much, much more, hit the link in the description for instant download. Thanks for watching. Get excited and make it a great day.